Hello friends, how are you? Fine? Now open your English textbook, page number 11, activity 6A. Students, I am reading the activity 6A. I will read the instruction for you. You listen it carefully. Following are the steps to plan a quiz. Read them, work in groups and arrange them in a proper order. Students, કે આ sentences વખત વાંચું છું તમે સાંભળો. Make a group of 3 to 5 friends. Decide questions for each round. Select a scorer and a quiz master. Give a name to each group. List questions and their answers. Fix the time for each answer. Give a unique name to each round. Decide the point for each question. Categorize the questions to each round. Play the quiz. Students, activity 6A માં sentences આપેલા છે તે proper order માં નથી. We have to arrange them in proper order. For that, I will show you the planning, and with the help of that, we will write the sentences in proper order. Okay? So here comes the planning.
Hi, what are you doing? Oh, hi. Just wait 1 minute. Do you know we have a quiz program in our school? No. So Tushar sir has asked me to make a list of questions and answers. Okay. May I help you? Yeah, sure. I am preparing some questions and answers for the quiz. We have made the list. So let's go to Tushar sir. Hello sir.
Hello students, how are you?
Fine sir. Thank you. Sir, we have prepared a list of questions for the quiz.
This is the first step of planning a quiz. The first step of planning a quiz is to make a list of questions and their answers.
Sir, what do we do next?
The next step of planning a quiz is to decide questions for each round. Dear children, the second step of planning a quiz is to decide questions for each round.
Okay sir. This program will be a fun round. So we have decided to have 5 rounds. Each round will have 5 questions except the rapid fire round.
Great, you are half done. So, the total number of questions will be 20, as each round will have 5 questions. So, the first 4 rounds carry 20 questions, and you should make a long list of questions for rapid fire round.
I think these 5 questions should be in the first round, sir.
Thus, the third step of planning a quiz is to categorize questions for each round. These questions you have selected are really good. These are awesome.
And what about the second round, sir? Second, third and fourth rounds will have 5 questions each. Sir, here are the remaining questions for the rounds.
It's really great, my dear. It's really great. Awesome.
Sir, I have a confusion for the fifth round.
That too is easy, my dear. The fifth is the rapid fire round. It is the last round. It is based on quick response of the team members. We will ask them questions as many as they can answer in 1 minute.
We have a long list of questions and answers for the same round, sir. And here is it, sir.
Very good, very good. Great. Now the fourth step. The fourth step of planning a quiz is to decide points for each question. Now we have decided to take 5 questions in each round and each question carry 1 point. So each round will have 5 points.
Okay, sir.
The next step of planning a quiz is to decide time for each answer.
Sir. Shall we keep 2 minutes for each question? No, it would be too long. We can take only 1 minute for each question.
Alright, let's fix 1 minute time for each question. Okay, so the fifth step of planning a quiz is to decide time duration for each answer.
Sir.
Now, the sixth step of planning is to give unique name to each round.
The first round would be the general knowledge round. The second would be the buzzer round.
And the third round will be audiovisual round.
Wow, great idea, sir. But what about the fourth round?
Fourth round should be math science round.
The fifth round would be rapid fire round, isn't it, sir?
Correct. You are right. Now, the next step. Making a group of students is the seventh step of planning a quiz.
How many students would be there in each team? We will make 3 teams. In each team, there will be 5 students.
So the seventh step of planning a quiz is to make teams and to decide number of team members in each team. Next step of planning a quiz.
I know, sir. The next step of planning a quiz is to give names to each group.
And I have decided to name each group after natural element, such as Prithvi, Surya, Agni.
Wow, sir, sounds great. What is next, sir?
Our plan of making a quiz program is ready. But I have still question. Who will keep record of the score?
Vihan is good at maths, sir. He can be a scorer. And who will be a quiz master?
Of course, Nirav sir. Nirav sir is good for that job and he will be the quiz master. Okay, so dear children, the last step of planning a quiz is to decide a scorer and a quiz master.
સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તો તમને હવે ક્વિઝના સ્ટેપ્સની ખબર પડી ગઈ ને? હવે તેની મદદથી આપણે આ એક્ટિવિટીના સેન્ટેન્સને પ્રોપર ઓર્ડરમાં ગોઠવવાના છે. તે પહેલાં તમે બબેના ગ્રુપમાં બેસી જાઓ. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તમે બધાએ કામ કરી લીધું ને? હવે તો હું પણ મારા આન્સર્સ તમને બતાવું છું. મારા આન્સર્સ સાથે તમે તમારા આન્સર્સ ટેલી કરી લેજો. ઓકે ચિલ્ડ્રન, ફર્સ્ટ step is list questions and their answers. So I will write first here. Second step of the quiz is decide questions for each round. So I will write number 2. Now the third step of the quiz is categorize the questions to each round. So I will write number 3. કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સનું સાચું છે? Good. Now the fourth step of the quiz is decide the point for each question. So I will write number 4. હવે તમે point decide કરી લીધા છે, પછી શું કરશો? Very good. Fix the time for each answer. So I will write number 5. Correct? કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સનું સાચું છે? Raise your hand. Oh, good. Now, fixed time કર્યા પછી શું કરશો? Give a unique name to each round. Very nice. So this is our step number 6. કોને ખબર છે એના પછી શું આવશે? Yes, very good. Make a group of 3 to 5 friends. So our 7th step is make a group of 3 to 5 friends. Now, what is next? Yes, give a name to each group. This is number 8. So I will write 8 here. Now, our step number 9. Select a scorer and a quiz master. This is our step 9. Students, હવે શું બાકી છે આ બધા કરી લીધા પછી? Yes, quiz રમવાનું. So last step is play the quiz. So this is our last step. Students, તમે તમારા આન્સર્સ મારા આન્સર સાથે ધ્યાનથી ટેલી કરજો. Students, now you are familiar with the quiz. Now, in free time, you plan a quiz, you do play the quiz. Okay? That's all for today.